leftover ingredients, pwedeng gawing caldereta. Pero fish fillet, tara, lutuin natin. First step, cut the fish fillet according to your preferred size. By the way, this is cream dory. Pili tayo ng medyo mas mura lang, pero kung may budget naman, pwede rin lapu-lapu or any fish that you like. After chopping or slicing the fish fillet, coat na natin into flour and some cornstarch and pepper. I also have here a butter mixture, so I'll be doing 2 days. You can also put pepper dito sa mismong fillet para mas malasa siya. Some here. So, tingnan ko lang kami yung mas. Let's try to coat this sa flour after dun sa butter mixture. And then I have here a hot pan with some oil. By the way, I'm using Kaya Savila. Kaya Savila pan. For 4 years na, goods pa rin siya doon. Baka na siyang luma pero maganda pa rin. Pan ng luma pero maganda pa rin. I mean, maganda pa rin siyang gamitin. So, ayan. Medyo golden brown na yung iba. So, hindi kong heat lang to para hanggang sa loob ng fish luto. So, while waiting, cut na natin yung vegetables. By the way, ganito yung itsura ng siling haba namin kasi naka-freezer siya sa pinili ng rice.